Hey everyone, it's James from FunFoods, and today I'm going to show you how to make both the strawberry and mango Dole Whip. So keep watching and I'll show you step by step how to make this. The first thing we need to do is start off with a food processor or a blender. I'm using a food processor here, but if you use a blender, make sure it is a very strong blender. It has to be able to crush up ice. It's the only way your blender is going to work. Now to this, I'm going to add 16 ounces, which is about 2 cups of diced up mangoes. Now make sure these are frozen. If they're not frozen, all you're going to do is make a smoothie. So these are frozen, and we're just going to add that to our food processor. Now we're going to add 1/4 cup of milk. This is just whole milk. You can use coconut milk as well. Next, we're going to add 2 tablespoons of sugar. Now put on your lid, and we're going to pulse this for a couple minutes. And we'll remove the top. You can see we have this beautiful soft serve ice cream consistency. Now I'm going to fill a piping bag with a 1M tip, and I just have it in a cup to make things a little easier. Now we're going to fill our container using a piping bag with a 1M tip. Next up, we're going to make strawberry Dole Whip, and we're going to do the same process using a food processor. Again, you can use a blender, but make sure it's strong. We're just going to take 16 ounces of our frozen strawberries. Again, make sure they're frozen, and pour these in. Add a 1/4 cup of milk. And 2 tablespoons of sugar. Put your lid on. And pulse. Hopefully your blender doesn't break. Oh no. My food processor broke. What else can go wrong? So my food processor decided that now would be a good time for it to break and stop working. Next, I got to move on to using my blender. I'm using a Ninja blender. These are very strong. Make sure you use a strong blender or else it will not work. So let's transfer these partially processed fruit. Guess that'll help if I pull that out. Careful with the blade. Now the thing I like about my food processor as opposed to my blender is the blades are positioned differently, and the food processor has the blades closer together, which makes it a little easier for this process. So it's going to take longer in the blender, but you have to scrape down the sides a lot. All right, now let's take a look. Yep, that looks done. Now what we gotta do is first unplug your blender. It did take longer in the blender than it did in the food processor, so if you have a choice, use the food processor. It works so much better. Let's pull out our blade. Just fill up your piping bag with a 1M tip on it. There we go. And pipe it into your serving container. If you're like me and you have a lot of extra of the stuff you made, you can always fill it into some containers and keep it in the freezer. Now you have extra for later. Well, now it's time for the taste test. We're gonna try our strawberry first as it's starting to melt. I had to take lots of pictures for Instagram. So here we go, let's give it a try with our tiny spoon. Amazing. If you love strawberries, you're gonna love this. Now for our mango, let's give that a try. I love fruit in general, so yeah, these are amazing. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, hit that like button. Also hit that big red subscribe button if you're not already subscribed. Now check out this video right here. And until then, I'll see you next time. Also, make sure the package is open before you start this. Pulled it off, but the seal didn't. How many YouTube chefs does it take to open a package of frozen strawberries? I think they made this childproof. Next week, we'll still be opening this package of strawberries. Be sure to join me.